If you're one of our current clients, we'll put you on extension in advance to help protect you. If you need an extension, more time, or professional tax help this year, reach out to Magnum CPA. We offer a free extension and consultation.
All right, welcome back. I think it's been a while since we've gotten a chance to talk. Max Drew, CPA, your friendly neighborhood California CPA. And today we're going to just give everyone a reminder what's special about this year, St. Patty's Day. Hey, look at the Irish. Somewhere down on my grandmother's side, there's a bit Irish in there, so I guess I could try to do some kind of a whatever Irish talk. Okay, let's get that out of the way. Today we're going to be talking about key tax deadlines to remember.
Now, the reason why I bring up St. Patrick's Day is because the first big tax deadline comes right before it. In 2026, that deadline falls on Monday, March 16th, the day before St. Patrick's Day. So you can still wear your green, and you can see here in this chart, we're focusing on that March 16th deadline. That's the deadline for businesses. If your business is an S corporation or a partnership or an LLC taxed as an S corporation or partnership, remember you need to file your extension by March 16th. So don't forget to file your extension, because that can save you a lot of money in late filing fees. That will give you another 6 months until September 15th to file your business tax returns. Remember, we have to file our
business tax returns first if they flow through to our personal tax return. And because S corporation income and partnership income flow through and become part of our personal tax return, that's why we need that a month early to give us a chance to incorporate that into our personal tax return. The next deadline that's coming up is going to be on April 15th. That's tax day. And that's going to be for sole proprietors if you're filing a Schedule C on your taxes, which if you're making more than $40,000 a year profit, you might want to start considering setting up an LLC and perhaps filing as S corporation. If you got questions about that, feel free to contact me in the links to follow or probably some information below. Besides that, you can see on April 15th, it's also the corporate filing deadline for C corporations. C corporations issue dividends. They're not a flow through like S corporations, so therefore they have the same filing deadline as your personal tax. Now, if you can't file your taxes in time, don't worry, you can file for an extension. There's no penalty for filing for extension. In fact, the main reason to file for extension is it can save you from penalties, late filing penalties for certain. But remember, if you think you're going to owe money, which you might be able to estimate with your tax preparer or CPA, you want to make an estimated tax payment, because late filing penalty is one penalty. The second penalty that you could come across would be the late payment penalty and interest. So you want to make sure that you have extended your tax return, and if you think you're going to owe $1,000 or more, or if you owe any money and you're getting the extension, you do want to make a payment to avoid interest and also penalty for underpayment. So that's your tax tip for today. Good luck to you from your friendly neighborhood CPA, and may you have a good tax year this year. If you need help, feel free to reach out to me and I'll be happy to help you. Okay, thanks so much for spending a minute with me. That's your tax tip for today. Looking forward to seeing you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.